Many deals for a friend of the like you.
Sorry we didn't communicate that to you, Dag. But it seems like great minds think alike.
Not always in the best way.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very well. Death begins. 3, 2, 1.
Eight and 8.
Darkness.
3. Out. Watch your feet in 3, 2, 1. We're in 3.
John and Adriel both have 4 stacks.
Get pop Adriel if you can, please. Thank you.
2, 1.
Watch your feet, guys. Fade to diamond in 10. 8. I call stop soon. Stop on boss.
John's gonna need targeted heals.
Don can also clear it here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm hugging it right now.
Good.
Do you fear the
These arrows down.
3, 2,
Bot me. Careful on boss.
Need a sack in 2 seconds. Sack me.
Push a... Boss where we want her. Just leave her. Just leave her. Just leave her. Leave her. Leave her.
It's just dodge rolling.
I was talking to Jaina, dude. Thrall's popping off. Guess he popped all the CDs there. Fucking pad lord.
Character of Warcraft.
Should have 2 B reses. North, you can't get both, right? Or can you?
I could get one. I have the food buff thing too.
Oh,
Should
okay.
be able to, yeah.
I was about to say, I don't have the finesse conduit. Call who you want. Actually, Talus, get Viz. North, get John.
That's what I just said!
Oh, I didn't hear you.
If you did, you were muted.
Definitely muted.
100%.
Grab John if he grabs, Fizz.
Also, let Talus get the the first one because he does the roar here. I guess you both do the roar here. Whatever.
Do the roll.
Give it to both of them.
The jailer trying to break out of the
I guess one of you needs it anyway, so.
something else.
Veil in 2, 1. Move your feet.
Care orbs by range.
Summoner needs to go down. Good.
Decurse.
I am in your debt. I've opened the way. Go! Stop Sylvanas!
Deck as soon as you can when you come across, taunt it.
Right. Alright, I got her.
I'll break you.
Wave in 5. Melee out. Stack on gate. Go.
Yield, Sylvanas!
Wave in 5.
You don't have to do this. Surrender.
Melee out. Just immune. Spread.
Press the attack! The jailer must be stopped!
Don't get hit by wave, guys. Come on. Let's go, dodge.
Orbs. Move for Veil.
Orbs, orbs.
In melee, in melee.
Decurses.
Bring the veil.
Stack.
Right behind us.
Left's done.
Right's done. Let's go. Roar. Somebody roar. You got her, Dig.
Right.
Wave in 5. Melee out. Stack on gate. Take gate.
For Sourfang! For the Horde!
Wave in 10. Pump. Pump, pump, pump. Wave in 5. Melee out.
Sylvanas, give Anduin to me.
Immune. Just spread.
Out of time. Oryx is being enveloped by them all. Hold them back a little longer. The portal's nearly open.
Get ready to global.
Hurry.
The jailer is going
Let's go.
to
Focus up.
We've been here before, guys. Let's do it.
4 minutes.
Quickly, champions! Stop Sylvanas! That tends to
Free spread. Dodge the pulse. Clean up. Veil. Veil's going out. Veil's going out. Stack up. Fury in 5.
Banshee Queen.
Dispel bomb.
Alright, go when I call. Move in 3, 2, 1, go. Again, stack up. And Lawrence's second arrow. North is third.
Yep.
Knives in 5. Knives about to go. Knives out. Knives stop. Spread for scream. Veil's in 4, 3, 2, 1.
Dispel clump.
Furious in 5.
Dispel Dag.
Death Knives in 5. Stop.
I can't clean platform 3, I got Death Knives.
Pumpkin Soaks.
Clump, you're over, right? I'm gonna go clean.
Go. Go, go, go.
Spread for Veil, spread for Veil, spread for Veil.
Oh,
Bring it together.
Dispel clump.
I'm gonna call when to go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, pause. Give me
This fear's gonna hurt. Put the Ashen down.
Free spread for Knives. Knives going out. Stop. Spread for Scream. The Veil's gonna be right after this. Koss.
Yep.
Boomkins, Heart of the Wild. Stay in spread for Veil, 3 seconds.
Sorry.
Stacking it together.
He gets hands.
Big heals, guys, big heals. Fools coming down. Dodge them. Fury in 8. Fury in 5.
Dispel clump.
Dispel
Stay away
Dag.
from them.
Dispel Dag.
Death Knives in 3. Clean these up. Spread. Free spread.
I got cornered.
Stop.
Dag, I took her because you were getting trucked.
Yep,
Take her when
I
you
got it
should.
back. I got it back.
Veil in 10. Veil in 7. Analorns go.
Orient yourself.
Spread for Veil. Alright, bring it together by the edge. By the edge.
Dispel clump. Dispel clump.
Going in 3, 2, 1, go. Onto the Covenant Sigil.
Nice and easy. Nice and easy.
Trail 3.
Alright, I got her clump.
Alright, get to the middle.
Adriel, get to the covenant symbol. Dispel clump.
Move.
Dag,
Stop.
dispel Dag.
Stop Knives.
Find your spot.
Spread for Scream. Spread for Scream. We're gonna have Veil right after this. There's gonna be pools and then Veil. Dodge the pool, spread for Veil, 3 seconds. After this is Lust. We're gonna together Lust.
Dispel clump. Get away, Adriel.
Ours are coming up. Remember, do the call clump. Or chunk.
Yep. Don't run Death Knives out too far. Nice and easy.
Alright, give Death Knives step out.
Third arrow go. It's a little weak.
Getting Adriel up.
Find a
Dispel
spot.
clump.
Everybody focus.
Dispel
Dispel
clump.
Dag.
Burn this bitch!
We got it!
Yes!
Fucking go, baby. Oh, Legolas.
Yo, I don't know about you guys, but I'm watching this cutscene.
Last night of the last night of the team! Let's go!